So for today's video, guys, I wanted to show my appreciation to all of my members. So thank you so much to all of my members in my channel who membered this month or last month of February. This is the members who are going to say here as the members that I am really appreciate, guys, all of your membership and all of your efforts here in my channel. So thank you so much to all my members. Thank you so much to all of you for being the members in my channel. Thank you so much, Sir Flowfulness. Thank you so much. Sir Nixon, thank you so much. John Juan Carlos the Seventh at the K, thank you so much. Sir TJ, Sir AF Key, thank you so much. Sir Finks, thank you so much. Dom, shout out to you and thank you so much also. Ryan, thank you so much for being the members of my channel. Of course, Johnny Gogo. Johnny Gogo, the brother of Sir Richmore. Blackwood Richmore. Hello, shout out to you and thank you so much. My views, your world, TJ, Sir AJ, thank you so much. 1,000 Mike, Sir Mike, thank you so much. Philippine Games, thank you so much. Sir Mark Truett, thank you so much, guys, for being the members of my channel. For all of you here that I mentioned, thank you so much for being the members of my channel, guys. I really appreciate you for being the members in my channel. Thank you so much for that. And of course, I wanted to shout out all of those people who is part of my super chatter. So my super chatter, first of all, the first honor, Joe Lotian Joe from Scotland. Joe, thank you so much for being the top one of my super chatter. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much because that makes my revenue going up. Thank you so much, Joe. I really appreciate it. And of course, I wanted to shout out the month of February super chatter. Sir TJ. Wait, guys. Sir TJ is AFK. Thank you so much. Sir Johnny Gogo. The always in the in the ladder, not ladder, but in a jail with Sir Richmore. Hey, shout out Sir Johnny Gogo. Thank you so much for being the super chatter. And of course, shout out also to Sir Henry. Sir Henry, thank you so much for being my super chatter for the month of February. Kuala Man 33, shout out. Kailan ba ito? Blizzard Abroad, Dan Erdos, shout out to you also. And shout out to all of my super chatters that I haven't mentioned there. Shout out to all of you, Sir Flowfulness, the brothers of Flowfulness. Kuya Jimbo, shout out also. And plenty more. Why is it my month of February? Where's month of February here? The others, super sticker. Okay. Super sticker. Yeah, so shout out to all of you. Of course, to those people send their blessings. Last time I had birthday. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate your blessings shared in my live streaming. And also to your support here in my live stream. Thank you so much. If I forgot to mention some of you as my super chatter, I'm sorry. But I shout out to all of you and I really appreciate all of your effort, your blessings shared, and to those who are you continue to support my channel. Thank you guys, really I appreciate it. If I forgot to mention anyone who super chat here in my channel, guys, I thank you for all of you there. And also not only my super chatters, not only my members, but also for those people who watch my video without subscribing me. Thank you so much, guys. That's so organic because it counts on my watch hour. At the same time, it counts on my views. And at the same time, it counts if you don't skip the ads on my revenue. So guys, I really appreciate that. From the bottom of my heart, I will say, I really appreciate all of you. If I didn't mention anyone, if I forgot, I'm sorry. But from the bottom of my heart, even if I forgot it, guys, I show appreciation to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you and thank you. Thank you, guys. So next month, I'm going to shout out again those people who will be my member and those people who will be my super chatter, and to those people who will subscribe also to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you, and God bless to you all. Bye again, guys. This is Che saying ingat lagi and God bless, and hope we have a great day ahead. So bye bye, guys. I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.